Hi guys, so today we are going to be making potato balls. I'm going to be showing you easy and simple recipe on how you can make your potato ball. First thing is your potato, which is the main aim of today's recipe is potato. Potatoes are good source of several vitamins, nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium. It's also a good source of energy, high in antioxidants, support digestive health, and also support the heart health. So you first of all and peel your potato, then you go ahead in cutting it into various smaller shapes, because we are going to be parboiling it for some time. We have two types of potato. We have the Irish potato and also we have the sweet potato. So for this recipe, I am making use of the sweet potato. If it's your first time coming across this channel, you are welcome to Blessing Series. Please do well to also click the like button and also subscribe, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we post a video. Also, after cutting your potato, you add it for washing. After washing, you're going to parboil your potato for about 30 minutes till it gets soft. So after some time, after the 30 minutes, we're going to check it to know if it's soft. If it's already getting soft, you pour it out, you sieve it out. Then it's time to smash. You are going to smash it. If you have a blender, if you want to make use of blender, you can also use, but for this recipe I'm going to be making use of my spatula to mix. So if you make use of blender is going to give it a very smooth surface, which is also still okay. Yes, but for this recipe we are going to be smashing it. So you also go ahead and sprinkle some pepper on it. Then you also mix all together again. You know, in this recipe we don't have too much ingredient added to this recipe. We just have our potato, pepper and fries. No need of sugar, no need of baking powder and all that. What you just need is your pepper, your potato and fry. Yes, you know, sweet potato is already sweet on its own. It's already so sweet, so even without sugar it's also very, very good. So now you are going to wash your hand and roll your balls, the potato balls. You roll it and you repeat all the same process in all your potatoes till it is in a balled shape. So after that, you get in your fry pan, put in your vegetable oil, and you're going to be frying on a low heat. Okay, don't forget this aspect, on a low heat. So you add in your potatoes little by little and you start to fry. Yes, our potato ball is ready. and so crispy inside and sweet in the mouth. So guys, thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you be trying this recipe, let me know in the comment section. So I garnished mine with some ketchup, and thank you for watching.